I'm standing in an area in central Kabul that was once a Soviet military barracks. And as you can see, stretching far away, the barracks has been destroyed. And this is now an empty patch of land in the center of town. It sits next to the transit center where returnees come back in from Pakistan and Afghanistan. In November last year, a family came back to the transit center in the middle of the night, but the camp was closed. So some children and the family came to this spot here to try to keep warm until the transit center opened in the morning. They collected some wood, they built a fire, and unbeknown to them, under the ground was some unexploded ordnance. Turned out to be an old rocket fuse, and in the heat of the fire it detonated, and 7 children ended up in hospital. The reason this is important is obviously the tragedy of the incident itself, but also 90% of the accidents that we have in Afghanistan are from unexploded ordnance or explosive remnants of war. Items that are lying around under the ground in areas like this, in the center of towns, that are killing and injuring people. We desperately need funding to clear areas like this so that families can restore their livelihoods unhindered by the remnants of war.